that first part to this second part. So the big changes obviously are the only ones highlighted. This 45 is moved here, we've got 55 degrees here, and that's pretty much it, I believe. So let's have a little look at our part. At the moment, this is what we're left with. So if we go back to sketch 1, we can change. It's not sketch 1 we want to go to, it is sketch 2. So this needs to be, what did we say? It needs to be 45 just there. So if I go back to my part, change that to 45, press enter, and this angle was 55. We need to change it to. If we green tick that, updates automatically, but we have some issues with the fillet and the rib as well. So we go back into our rib. What is different here? So we've got the 2 sections. Let's check it compared to the drawing. It's now got, it goes flat and then it goes tangent. So what we can do is we can go normal 2, and we can get our line tool. We can take it from this dot, go across parallel. We can then trim that off by pressing M on the keyboard, trim that end bit, trim this end bit, and that gives us a flat section in the middle. Now it's fully constrained, which means some of our constraints here are not helping us. So that's probably going to be an issue. It is. We can move that one, and we can now move this part and this part. Press T on the keyboard and make those tangent. That does not look that smooth. So if I take away, let's see if it's that constraint. What else have we got? And take away that constraint. Now we want those to be snapped, but we want them to be tangent as well. So click, click, press T. There we go. That makes that tangent. Green tick that, and hopefully it will rebuild, which it hasn't done. So double click on the rib, and it's because it is missing this section here. So click that section, add it in, green tick it, and we are good. Now you can see the fillets are in a world of trouble. So it looks like it's probably easiest for us to delete these fillets, start again, Shift F. Let's see if we press that part, it's going to give us that there. This part, not that edge, this face, it gives us all of that. Let's add those 2 in there. Is it going to give us this chain? It will, and this chain here. Let's see what's happening there. No, lots of issues. Let's delete that. Let's go Shift F again. Let's just simplify it slightly. Take those 2 there. Is it going to give us that face? It does like that face. It likes that face as well, which brings it along. So we've got all of those. We can add that in separately and add that one in separately. Let's green tick that, and then we can just add our final fillets in over here and over here. 2 millimeters, they all look good. So that should be, oh, nope, we've missed that part there. One last little fillet. There and there, green ticket, there we go. That looks pretty nice. So let's just check our drawing. Got our drawing here, fillets up there, around there. We've got the shoulder. We have got that part 45, made it 55. We have sorted this section out here. It looks very similar. Let's check that the weight is the same. So this weight should be 2.282. And it's still the same material. So if I select part 1, we know it's the same material, we haven't changed it. 2.282, we are good.